Hi, welcome back to my channel Shri Ketki Math Tutorials. Today's topic Telangana State 8th Maths 6th chapter square roots and cube roots. This is first video regarding this 6th chapter. Okay, in this video I am going to do introduction and complete exercise 6.1 so you can understand how easy the chapter is, and the exercise 6.1 is also very easy and very simple. Only some basic problems are there here. Square roots and cube roots. Before going into the chapter, ఇది 8th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో మీరు 6th and 7th క్లాసెస్లో స్క్వేర్ అండ్ క్యూబ్ గురించి వినే ఉంటారు. స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ నంబర్, what is square of a number? What is a number actually? Number is a counting thing. 2. Let 2 be any number. Square means we are multiplying 2 with itself. We are multiplying 2 with itself. How many times? 2 times. Then it is called square. Square of a number is nothing but square of number 2. That is 2 square. That is nothing but 2 into 2 is equals to 4. What is square of number 2? 4. Similarly, square of number 6. What is square of number 6? We need to multiply 6 with 6. 6 into 6, that is 6 square is equals to 36. What is square of number 6? 36. What is square of number 2? 4. In the similar way, we can write a square for any number. Yes or no, whether the number may be small or big or it is a fraction or anything, we can write square for each and every number. 1.5, square of 1.5, it is 2.25. What is square of 1.5? 2.25. In this way, we can write square to any number. But what is our chapter? Square root. Square root means, see here 4 is square of 2. 4 is square of 2. 4 is square of 2. Now, 2 is square root of 4. 2 is square root of 4 means on multiplying 2 with 2 we are getting 4. 2 is square root means on multiplying 2 with 2 we are getting 4. That is called the number which we are multiplying with itself is called square root. The number in the product is called square. Okay, the number which we are multiplying to itself to get a square is called square root. I hope you understand. Similarly, cube root and enti. First of all, what is cube? Cube means multiplying a number to itself 3 times. Multiplying a number to itself is 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. In general, we are going to write it as 2 power 3. What is 2 cube? 8. See, what is cube of 2? 8. What is cube root of 8? 2. I hope you understand. If you don't understand also, please listen it repeatedly so you can understand. You can understand this concept in the flow. Okay. What is perfect square? Perfect square means for any rational number is equal to square of other number. A rational number is equal to the square of any other rational number. See here 2.5 is a rational number. What is its square? 2.5 whole square is equals to 6.25. Here 6.25 is called perfect square. What is square then? In a perfect square we are using rational numbers. In square we are using integers. An integer square of other integer is called square. Here 5 is an integer. 5 square is equals to 25. 25 is a square. 25. Tell me whether 25 is perfect square or not. Yes. Yes, 25 is a perfect square because 5 is a rational number. Tell me whether 6.25 is a square or not. No. It is only a perfect square because 2.5 is not an integer. It is a rational number. Okay. See, number of digits in square of a number. Number of digits in square of a number. How you are going to find out number of digits in square of a number? With the help of number of digits in the number. With the help of number of digits in the number. See, if a number has n digits, then number of digits in its square are either 2n or 2n minus 1. Either 2n or 2n minus 1. If number of digits is 1, then number of digits in its square is either 1 or 2. Let us substitute. Number of digits in a square is 2n or 2n minus 1. See, what is n here? 1. So 2 into 1, that is 2, or 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So what are the number of digits? Either 1 or 2. See, you will understand it more clear in your further problems. If number of digits are 2, number of digits of its square are either 3 or 4. Similarly, if number of digits are n, number of digits in its square are either 2n minus 1 or 2n. See, you will understand this concept more easily when you have a look at the squares of some numbers. See, here squares of numbers from 1 to 30. From 1 to 30 up to 9 single digit numbers. Remaining all are 2 digit numbers. What I told, if number of digits in square root is 1, number of digits in its square will be either 1 or 2 obviously. అలాగే ఉన్నాయా? ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. సో 1 digits ఉన్న అన్ని నంబర్స్కి స్క్వేర్స్ ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్లో వస్తాయి? 1 digitలో అయినా వస్తాయి, లేదంటే 2 digitsలో అయినా వస్తాయి. అదేనా ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చింది 1 digit ఉంటే స్క్వేర్లో ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉంటాయి? 1 or 2. సి, ఇప్పుడు 2 digits ఉంటే స్క్వేర్లో ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉంటాయి? ఐదర్ 3 or 4. సి, ఇక్కడ 2 digits ఉన్నాయి, దాని స్క్వేర్లో ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 3 digits. సి, అప్ టు 30 వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ ఓన్లీ 3 digits ఇన్ స్క్వేర్. బట్ వెన్ యూ గో ఫర్దర్ 99 స్క్వేర్ తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, దెన్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ 4 digits. Okay. Palindrome. What is palindrome? A palindrome is a word or a phrase or a sentence or a numerical that reads as same forward and backward. అంటే మనం ముందు నుండి చదివినా వెనుక నుండి చదివినా మనకి సేమ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ ఆర్ సేమ్ నంబర్ ఆర్ సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్: noon. See, left to right noon, right to left is also noon. Malayalam, madam. See, if you read these words from left to right or right to left, you are going to get the same number. See, here one sentence is also given. Rats live on no evil star. See, if you read this sentence from right to left also, you are going to get the same. R-A-T-S, rats. L-I-V-E, live. O-N, on. N-O, no. E-V-I-L, evil. S-T-A-R, star. Rats live on no evil star. 15651. This is a numerical palindrome. You can write many palindromes in numerical. Example: 1001, 11011, 121, 131. All these are numerical palindromes. That means if you are reading it from right to left or left to right, you are going to get the same number. See, sum of first n odd numbers is n square. That means first n odd numbers ante manaki number of odd numbers is infinity. First n odd numbers ante మనం ఒక 3 odd numbers తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. 1, 3, 5. How many odd numbers are there here? 3 odd numbers are there. So what is their sum? 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 3 whole square. That equals to 9. If you take 10 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, so on up to 19. How many odd numbers are there here? 10 odd numbers. So what is their sum? 10 whole square is equals to 100. So even if you do them 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus so on up to 19, you are going to get 100 obviously. See, you can check here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Obviously 3 square is also 9. So this is the shortcut method to find out the sum of first n natural numbers. Similarly, sum of first n even numbers, n into n plus 1. Okay, I hope you understand these formulas. Even though if you don't understand also, in the exercise we are going to solve problems. There you can understand the problems very easily. The problems are very easy. See, note point. Square of a number always ends with 2 zeros, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. What is given? ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్కి స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే ఆ వచ్చే నంబర్, ఆ వచ్చే స్క్వేర్లో మనకి యూనిట్స్ డిజిట్స్లో ఏ ప్లేస్ ఉంటుందంట? ఇఫ్ యూనిట్స్ డిజిట్ ఈజ్ ఆక్యుపైడ్ విత్ 0, టెన్స్ డిజిట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఆక్యుపైడ్ విత్ 0. దట్ మీన్స్ లాస్ట్ 2 డిజిట్స్ ఆర్ జీరోస్. లేదా ఓన్లీ యూనిట్స్ డిజిట్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఐదర్ యూ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ 1 ఆర్ 4 ఆర్ 5 or 6 or 9. See, let us see. We have written squares of first 30 natural numbers. See, all squares are ending with 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Either 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. No other number is repeated. So, what you understand here? See, in this case also. In this case also. That means what you need to understand, each and every square is going to end with either 2 zeros or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. See, if the number is ending with 2, 3, 7, 8, that means it is not a square. Okay, no square ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 in its units place. Number between squares of any two consecutive integers will not be squares. అంటే ఏంటి? కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఉన్నాయి 11 and 12. What are its squares? 121 and 120, 144. 121 and 144కి మధ్యలో మనకి కొన్ని నంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 130. 130 ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ స్క్వేర్. అంటే 2 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ స్క్వేర్స్ మధ్యలో ఎన్ని నంబర్స్ ఉన్నా అవి మాత్రం స్క్వేర్స్ అవ్వవు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 6.1. లెట్ us go into the exercise. Exercise is very simple. Exercise 6.1. What will be the units digit of a square of the following numbers? See, what is given? 39. We need to find out units digit of 39 whole square. Okay, what is unit digit of 39? Is 9. See, square of a number whose units digit is 9 ends with 1. See here from this table, 9 9's 81. 19 into 19, 361. 29 into 29, 841. If a number ends with 9, its square ends with 1. That's what we are writing. Therefore, units digit of 39 whole square is 1. Similarly, what is units digit of 297 whole square? Units digit of 297 is 7. Square of a number whose units digit is 7 ends with 9. Okay, square of a number whose units digit is 7 ends with 9. Therefore, 297 whole square is, units digit of 297 whole square is 9. See here, 7 square, 9. 17 square, 289, units digit is 9. 27 square, 729, units digit is 9. Not only 7, for 3 also units digit is 9. Not only for 9, for 1 also units digit is 1. Okay, you need to remember that. See, 5125. What is units digit of 5125? Units digit of 5125 whole square is 5. Because the number ending with 5, its square is also ends with 5. Units digit of 5125 is 5. Square of a number whose units digit is 5 ends with 5. Therefore, units digit of 5125 is 5. Similarly, you can write all these things. Units digit of 7286 is 6. Square of a number whose unit digit is 6 ends with 6. Therefore, unit digit of 7286 is 6. If the number ends with 2, its square number ends with 4. See, which of the following numbers are perfect square? What is given? 121. Given 121. Here, units place is 1. Therefore, 121 might be a square number. What is a 10 square? 100. What is 11 square? 121. That's it. This is a perfect square. See 136. What is given? 136. Units place is equals to 6. So chance of becoming a square is there. So let us see. What is 11 square? 121. What is 12 square? 144. See, what are numbers between 121 and 144 will not become squares. Here 136 is between 121 and 144. Therefore, 136 is not a perfect square. See, here you can write the condition. See this condition. No numbers between squares of any two consecutive integers will not be squares. Okay. Similarly, 256. 256 is a perfect square. Its square root is 16. 321. 321 is less than 324. 324 is equals to 18 whole square. So, the immediate number can't be a perfect square. So, 321 is not a perfect square. C. 600. Units last two digits are zeros. So, chance of becoming square is there. But see, it is 6. 6 is not a perfect square. So, 600 is not a perfect square. Okay. Next, third bit. Which of the following numbers are not perfect squares and give reasons? In this bit, some numbers are given. We need to tell which of the numbers are perfect squares. If they are not perfect squares, what is the reason for telling that they are not perfect squares? Okay. First question is 257. What is units digit of 257? 7. See, what is the condition for a perfect square? See, no square ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్ ఉంది అంటే దాని లాస్ట్ డిజిట్స్ ఏముంటాయి? ఐదర్ 2 zeros, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. ఈ నంబర్స్ ఉంటే మాత్రమే అది స్క్వేర్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. లేదు, if the units digit is 2, 3, 7, 8, the number is not a square. Okay. See, what is units digit here? 7. So, a square never ends with 7. Therefore, 257 is not a perfect square. Next, 4592. What is unit digit here? 2. So, a square never ends with 2. Therefore, 4592 is not a perfect square. Okay, similarly, what is unit digit here for 2433? 3. So, a square never ends with 3. Therefore 2433 is not a perfect square. See, here unit digit is 0 for 5050, but a square ends with 2 zeros, not 1 0. If only 1 0 is there in the ending, means the number is not a perfect square. Here unit digit is 0, therefore a square never ends with a single 0. Therefore 5050 is not a perfect square. Next, 6098. What is unit digit here? 8. Unit digit of 6098 is 8. Therefore, a square never ends with 8. Therefore, 6098 is not a perfect square. Okay, very simple and easy bit. ఇది అసలు మీకు 2 మార్క్స్కి వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది, లేదంటే దిస్ విల్ కమ్ యాజ్ అన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ నోట్, ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఆడ్ నంబర్ ఈజ్ ఆడ్, ఈవెన్ నంబర్ ఈజ్ ఈవెన్. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్కి మనం స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే ఆడ్ నంబర్ని స్క్వేర్ చేసామనుకోండి మనకి రిజల్ట్ కూడా ఆడ్ నంబరే వస్తుంది. ఈవెన్ నంబర్ని స్క్వేర్ చేసామనుకోండి మనకి రిజల్ట్ కూడా ఈవెన్ నంబరే వస్తుంది. దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. ఓకే, ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ వెదర్ స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ నంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఈవెన్ ఆర్ ఆడ్. ఒకవేళ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తే దాని స్క్వేర్ ఆడ్ అవుతుంది, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తే ఈవెన్ అవుతుంది. హియర్ 431 ఈజ్ అన్ ఆడ్ నంబర్, therefore square of 431 is also odd. Similarly, 2826 is even number. Therefore, square of 2826 is also an even number. Here 8204 is even, so its square is also even. అంటే మనకి ఇచ్చిన నంబర్ ఎంత పెద్దదైనా ఉండని, we need to check the units place. If the units place with the help of units place, we are going to decide whether the number is even or odd. If the number is even, its square is also even. If the number is odd, its square is also odd. No need to find out the total square. See here, if you want to find out the square of 8204, it is somewhat lengthy process. Okay, instead of doing all those process, you can say directly as it is even, its square is also even. Here, this is odd, its square is also odd. 17,779 is an odd number. Therefore, square of 1779 is also odd number. Similarly, this is even. Square of the number is also even. Okay, very easy bit, right? Exercise 6.1 అందుకే ఈజీ అని చెప్పాను. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ బిట్, హౌ మెనీ నంబర్స్ లై బిట్వీన్ ద స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ నంబర్స్. హియర్ సమ్ నంబర్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్, వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ నంబర్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ ఫైండింగ్ స్క్వేర్స్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద స్క్వేర్ నంబర్స్. ఓకే, ఎలా చేసామో చూడండి. వాట్ ఆర్ గివెన్ 25 and 26. వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ 25 square and 26 square. First write down given numbers 25 and 26. What is 25 square? 625. What is 26 square? 676. You need to find out number of numbers. Number of numbers between 625 and 676. See, 625, 676. 625, 676. సి వీటి మధ్యలో ఉన్న నంబర్స్ కావాలి అంటే అన్ని నంబర్స్ రాసి కౌంట్ చేస్తారా? ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి రాసే ఛాన్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. In next problems, you will get big numbers, so you will get more numbers in between the squares of the given numbers. So then you can't write, right? Then what you need to do is subtraction. You need to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. 676 minus 625. So what you will get here? 51. So you need to subtract 1 from the difference. You need to subtract 1 from the difference. What is difference here? 51 is the difference. Subtract 1, 51 minus 1. That is 50. How many numbers are there in between 625 and 676? 50 numbers. In the same way, we are going to solve next two problems of this bit also. Therefore, number of numbers between 625 and 676 are 676 minus 625, that is equals to 51. Again 51 minus 1, that means you will get some difference. From that difference you need to subtract 1, that is 50. Therefore our answer is 50. Number of numbers between 625 and 676 are 50. See, if you have any doubts, you can list out all the numbers and you can find out the number of numbers between 625 and 676. Between annar kabatti we are not going to include these two numbers. Okay, only in between numbers. That means from 626 to 675. Next, 56 and 57 are given numbers. Given numbers 56 and 57. Find out the square of 56 and 57. Okay, let us find out. See, I am doing in the rough part. You can do towards the right side of your page also. 56 into 56. 6 6 36 3. 6 5 30. 30 plus 3 33. 5 6 30 3. 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 3 28. 6 3 11 3136. 3136 is the square of 56. Next, 57 into 57. 7 7 is 49. 4 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 4 39. 7 5 is 35. 3 5 5 is 25 plus 3 28. So 9 plus 5 14. Here 12. 3 2 4 9. What is the square of 57? 3 2 4 9. Therefore number of numbers between 3136 and 3249 are, first do difference. 3249 minus 3136. What you will get? 3249 3136. 9 minus 6 3. 4 minus 3 1. 2 minus 1 1. 1 1 1 3. Now subtract 1 from the difference. Subtract 1 from the difference, that is 113 minus 1, that is equals to 112. How many numbers are there in between 3136 and 3249? 112 numbers. Okay. Therefore, number of numbers between 3136 and 3249 are 112. Next, what are the given numbers? 107 and 108. 107 whole square. What you will get? 107 into 107. There are many tricks to find out squares of a number, but as you are in the early stage, I am going with the basic method. 7 7 is 49. 4 7 0 7. 7 0 0. 0 plus 4 4. 7 1 is 7. Again 0 0 0. 1 0 7. 9 4 7 7 14 1 1. 11,449. 449 is square of 107. Next, 108. 108 into 108. 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. 0 0 0 108. 4 6 8 8 16 1 1. 11,664. 11,664. 11,664 is square of 108. Number of numbers between these two numbers 11,449 and 11,664 are. Do difference 11664 minus 11449. What you will get? 11664 11449. See, 14 minus 9 5, 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 4 2, 215. 215 is the difference. Subtract 1 from the difference. Subtract 1 from the difference, that is 215 minus 1, that is equals to 214. Therefore, number of numbers between the given numbers is 214. Okay, you can write conclusion. Therefore, number of numbers between 11,449 and 11,664 are 214. Okay, next, sixth question. Before going to sixth question, let us see two formulas. Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. With the help of these two formulas, we are going to solve sixth bit. What is sixth bit? Without adding, find the sum of following numbers. Okay, what are the given numbers? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. That is first 5 natural numbers. What is formula? Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Here first 5 odd natural numbers. So formula is here n is equals to 5. Sum of first 5 odd numbers is equals to 5 square is equals to 25. You can cross check by doing proper addition also. You will get 25 only. Similarly, if first 100 odd numbers are given, what will be the sum? 100 whole square, that is 10,000. If you want, you can check. See, what is second question? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. That is sum of first 9 odd numbers. Sum of first 9 odd numbers. Here n is equals to 9. That is 9 square is equals to 81. On doing proper addition also, you will get 81 only. Okay, you can cross check. Next, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on up to 25. Up to 25, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is sum of first 13 odd natural numbers. Here n is equals to 13. That is n square. That is 13 whole square is equals to 169. If you want, you can cross check by doing proper addition. And one more thing, how to find out the number of odd numbers. See, from 1 to 10, how many odd numbers are there? 5 odd numbers are there. Similarly, from 11 to 20 also 5 odd numbers are there. So, with the help of this gap, you can find out number of odd numbers in the given interval or anything. Okay? That's all for today. In this video, I have completed first exercise and introduction. So, I'm going to keep the notes of this exercise and introduction also. You can check your notes now at the end of this video. And if you like the video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Shri Ketki Math Tutorials. And if you have any doubts regarding this unit or this video, you can post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video with exercise 6.2.